Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video I'll be teaching you guys how you can sell your domain names on Namecheap. So here I've come to the Namecheap website and I've logged into my account. Now if you go here to dashboard and then go to domain list, you can see here the domains you have bought. Now if I click on manage and scroll down, here you can see the option to sell domain. Just click on it. Here you can set the asking price, which should be a minimum of $5. For example, if I set 4, so it will say minimum 5. So if I select maybe 7, okay, so there will be a flat 10% commission that will be charged from Namecheap. Anyways, you can then select the list period. For example, if I select 7 days, this domain will be listed on the marketplace for 7 days. I'll select 15 days. Then you have to select the option whether this domain has posted anything adult in previous history. So in my case, no. And then you can always select this checkbox, which means that if the domain is successfully sold, it will send me an email from which I can check. Then finally click on sell domain. And here you can see that my domain has been listed in the marketplace. From here you can click on edit to edit the price, or you can just click on this arrow and click on cancel, and it will ask for your Namecheap password and then it simply gets cancelled. So this is the way from which you can sell your domains, which could be considered as a business as well. For example, if I buy a domain for $2, I can sell it here at 5, 7 profits. So this was the end of the video. If the video was helpful, so please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.